Hey everybody, thanks for joining me for a very, very quick message today. Um, we just had tornadoes um, in some southern states just recently. Now there's more tornadoes apparently in Arkansas right now. I can't remember if they were the other day if it was Missouri or Mississippi, but right now they're saying that there's some pretty violent tornadoes in Arkansas, and there's also some tornadoes that are have been spotted in Chicago. Uh, I'm here in the Midwest, in Minnesota. It's just turned 5 o'clock now, but for the past hour and a half, it got kind of eerily dark and weird and looking like tornado weather, honestly. Um, but I was just finally able to leave work, and now they're saying blizzards are expected in Minneapolis. It was raining this morning, but now we're about to have blizzards. Tomorrow's April Fool's Day, but this is no joke. It's really ridiculously cold outside right now. It's 37 degrees. I mean, and there's times when it's 17 degrees and it feels like how it does today, but right now it's 37. You know, I'm looking at the forecast. They're talking about heavy wind gusts, snow, rain, lightning. All of this is expected where I am today or this evening. So it's going to be real interesting. Everything melted. Now we're getting rained on. We've been getting rained on all day, and then it's going to turn to snow, which means it's going to get cold, which means all of that rain that fell is going to turn into some ice with the snow layered right on top of it. So honestly, I don't even know what to say about our weather here anymore. Everything just keeps changing. Keeps changing. Like it says in the Bible about and changing of the seasons, people won't be able to tell the changing of the seasons except for the budding of the trees. It's kind of like that right now. It really is. So I hope people are prepped for whatever may come up. If the power goes out, do you have a backup plan for your power, for your lights, what you're going to do for food? If you have medication or equipment like oxygen, CPAP, what do you do? Do you have a power generator or something as a backup? Even the cute little handy ones like I have that fit in the lunch box. I got two of them that fit in lunch bags. So having something, some sort of source for extra power in case you need it. Solar panels for the windows and all that's great. Lanterns and things are great, but you have to be careful with that they don't fall over and doesn't start a fire. Same with candles, especially if you have children or pets. Those are things to consider. Hopefully you have food, and not just refrigerated food, but food that does not have to be refrigerated, like food that's dehydrated, food that's in cans, food that are packaged in bags or whatever, where you can open it and be ready to run with it. Have you considered all that? I hope you have considered it and you have some things together for yourself. Medication. Do you have enough medication to last you 3 or more days? At this point, I would say a week or more because it's slow going and getting some things. The prices of medications are going up. If you get your medication through the mail, it's taking mail carriers a lot longer than it used to because they have fewer mail carriers. Because mail carriers, according to my source from the post office, mail carriers, many of the newer ones have not been able to pass the drug test. And that was just from my source at the post office that said that. So take care, bundle up, stay in, don't put away your winter clothes yet. because we don't know how things are going to be. So bundle up, stay warm, and be prepared for whatever's coming up. I think I'm going to set up a crock pot. Hopefully there's no power issues, but I'll set up a crock pot and start something tonight that will be ready to enjoy tomorrow. Talk to you again very soon.